Hello. Hi.
Hello guys. Say hello.
Hello, guys.
Hello. What are we going to be doing today?
Want to make up mommy.
You're going to do my makeup?
Yeah.
Wow. Hey guys, so today my sons are going to be doing my makeup. So, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, what will be the first thing?
Lipstick.
Lipstick is not the first thing. Okay, I'll tell you guys. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to be putting is a primer. Okay. Okay, so the primer we're going to be using today is the Essence primer spray.
Yes.
Okay.
And
So you guys are going to spray me
where?
in my face. You have to spray from afar. I'm waiting.
It's not open.
It's open. Just spray.
This?
Yes, like that. Oh! Again? Good. Okay. Okay, so mommy's face is prepped and primed. Okay. That's enough. Oh God. So guys, we have tissues and wipes
And water.
and water because it's going to be yeah. I need to wipe my, oh my God. Okay, so while that's drying, okay, you guys are going to do mommy's eyebrows.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we need?
I would do it.
We need an eyebrow pencil.
Is it that one?
No, not this one.
This one? Today. This one?
Yeah, but don't pop my eye. So you're
Uh-huh.
gonna draw mommy's hair. Okay.
Close your eye.
Okay.
What is that orange?
Oh, Mom. Where is it going off?
Don't do
Oh.
I know.
Let him do his side. Guys, okay, Joe, are you finished with your side? Yeah, your side is perfect. Okay, so now is Joel's side. Oh, sorry, Jonathan's side.
Whose foot is this? Oopsie.
It's okay, don't worry. Okay, keep drawing. Make mommy look beautiful. Wow, that looks amazing. So which side do you guys like?
My side.
Okay, great.
Enjoy
The foundation.
the foundation. What is the foundation?
Okay, so foundation is... Oh, I forgot. So you're supposed to brush the hair, the eyebrow hair when you finish.
What's this one for?
That's the foundation. None of the eyebrows.
Come on.
Wow, that's nice. Are you brushing them down?
Up.
Up is better.
It's not unfake.
Okay, great. Okay.
No,
So, okay, you can brush it.
we don't know how to do it.
Oh. Okay, okay. That's fine. Thank you.
Ciao.
So next, what we're going to go with is a foundation.
Foundation
Okay.
is the
So foundation is the one that you put on mommy's face. So we're going to be using some beauty blenders. So who's going to take the pink one and who's going to take the black one?
I will take the pink one.
Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the foundation here. So I will spread it. Okay. So you guys are going to paint mommy's face. Joa, you're doing this part, and Joa, you're doing this other side.
I'll do here.
Yes.
And I'll do here.
Yeah, Joa will do that side. Okay. Oh, nice, Joa. Wow. This is an experience, guys. Make sure you don't do the on top of the eyebrows because we want the eyebrows to stay. Let's see your side, Joe. Wow. Let's see your side, Joe. Beautiful. Okay. Pounds, pounds, pounds. Good. Not the shirt. Oh my god, just my skin. Just mommy's face. My chin. Oh, you guys are amazing. Look at that.
And this is a
You guys think mommy's finished?
Yes. No.
How do I look, guys?
Fine. Now we have to do something else.
Okay. Are you sure it's finished?
No. Yes.
You don't want to make it look nicer than this?
Yes. We have to put
Mommy looks beautiful.
Yes. Let's put more.
Really beautiful.
Let's put it again.
Okay, so next is the concealer. So next we're going to be going in with the concealer from Revolution. So you're going to draw a triangle, Joa. Joa, draw a triangle on mommy's eye, and Joa, you draw a triangle on mommy's eye. Oh,
Let me get it.
it's okay. Careful not to pop, mommy. Good. And here, under my eye, not on my eye, but under. Okay, great. And Joel, your turn.
Don't prick.
Don't prick my eye, please.
So ouchy. You have to say sorry.
Here, under my eye. Okay. And on my nose. Good. And my chin. And my forehead. Okay, great. Okay. Next, you have to use your sponges to blend them out. The concealer. You have to tap, tap, tap. Slowly. Okay, Joa, tap, tap, tap. Yeah, push it in. Push. Careful that someone is punching me. Good job, guys.
Okay, now we do something else, okay?
Joa, we need to blend it. You need to push it in, yeah?
In here.
Finished?
Yeah.
Okay guys, we're finished. So next, we're going to set it with some powder.
Powder?
Yep.
I don't know. This one's a diaper.
Powder from a diaper. So you're going to dip your sponge into the powder and just put it on my face. Okay. We're going to set the powder.
Oh.
We're going to set the foundation and set everything in place.
In your nose?
Yeah,
Oh.
on my nose.
You're gonna sneeze?
I'm going to... No, I'm not going to sneeze.
It's no more.
You guys are doing a good job.
Oh.
Do I look... Do I look amazing now?
Yeah, my side is fantastic. Those are, what is that? Fantastic. Now how are we gonna wash it?
Okay, Joel, you need to do more blending here. Keep blending, guys. Blend, blend, blend. Wow. That looks amazing.
I did the best.
Oh God, that's nice. Okay guys, so now you need to spray a setting spray. Okay, from afar.
Now my turn.
Again, more? Okay.
No,
It used to be my whole face.
no, please.
Okay. 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 Whoa.
The sponge
Okay, that's a
now.
lot of space. If you want, you can do the sponge again. Maybe you can use this side. The bottom of it. No, you'll be counting on this. Yes, like that. Wow. I feel like it's gonna be amazing. Done? Okay, let's see. Wow, guys, it looks amazing.
I like to do.
Okay, so next, what are we going
Okay,
to
I'm
do?
going.
What are we going to do next, guys?
Um,
We're going to do the eyeshadow. We have the Huda Beauty. So we've got the Urban Decay. So what colors do you want to do?
I'm going to do this one.
On Mommy's eye. It's beautiful. You choose one color at a time, Joel. Like the picture? Oh, that's your favorite?
Okay, turn.
Done. Okay.
Like that about
Just on my eye. Wow, that's amazing.
yeah.
Are you sure? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. So next guys we're going to do the eyeliner. So you're going to make a nice line on Mommy's eyes.
First me.
Okay, Joa. Don't hurt my eye.
So scared. The pointy. Mommy, please now. Fabulous.
Oh, fabulous. Joa.
Okay, this boy is going to go backward.
Oh, wow. That looks amazing, guys. Okay, so Jotham is the first one to go with his lipstick. Wow, beautiful. Okay. So you're going to put it on one side. I can't see.
Mommy, that one's still on two sides.
Wow, it smells amazing. Okay. Jonathan's side, this was the Christian Dior. Okay, so Joel's going to use the Fenty.
Fenty. Uma. I thought it would be
Wow.
I'm gonna get
Okay. So next we're going to put highlighter.
I like her.
Jojo, put the highlighter, please.
Yeah.
Yes, on the cheeks. Wow. Glowing, guys. You can put it here on my nose and on my cheek. Okay, that's it first. Okay, Joel, your turn. Now put it on his cheeks. Am I glowing? Wow, Mommy's glowing. Wow, Joy, you know exactly where to put highlighter. Wow. Look at that glow, guys. And here on the forehead. Wow. And you know all the right places, don't you? Look at that. Oh, look at that glow. Okay, guys, time to do the lashes.
Here? Here?
Yeah, but you put them like one person at a time. Okay, Joel first. Stick them. Good words? Wait. Okay, and Joel.
You have 2 eyelashes.
You want to fix it or this is perfect?
Perfect. Gotta just stay. Just want to wash it.
Okay guys, so this is the final look.
And let's try more. Maybe Joe video.
Mommy looks amazing.
Yeah.
Do you like your work?
Yeah. Is this a monster? I thought this is a monster. Monsters?
Is this mommy or a monster?
Monster! So get away! Run away! Run away! Run away!
This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching our video with the boys doing mommy's makeup. You can see the highlight is popping. Okay. Can I show them the highlight, please? So you can see the highlight is popping. The lipstick Fenty came to do the do. The eyelashes, everything.
This was thick.
That's the glue. Everything looks amazing, guys. So make sure you comment down below and let the boys know how good of a job that they've done. And if you're new to my channel, hello. My name is Kudzi. If you're an older but a golden, thank you so much for sticking around with me.
And my name is Justin. This is Joe. Subscribe more channels.
And tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe. You see our video again. Bye-bye.
Say comment down below.
Comment down below. Bye-bye.
Give it a thumbs up.
Bye-bye.
And until next time, my lovelies, God willing, God bless you. I love you so much, and it's time for me to say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So now I'm going to kiss you. I want your chip. It's there.
Again.